Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will do some more advanced thing into the form. I just came to know we have missed this handling these checkboxes data into our ReactJs application. So let me correct that thing. Here is the hobbies. So their names are something like this. So let's just copy all these names and create you can say hold this data. Initially keep them false. First one is sports, second one was swimming, singing, and we have I think fourth one driving. So just copy it here. I will showcase you how you can set and reset them. So we will have a method something like handle remove unused code. Here we can define constant handle check boxes. It is a arrow function method, sorry. Now same way we will get the name and value from the event handler. What we will do, it is our state handler. So here target dot checked, not value, it is checked or not, it will come into it. So we will first try to console is the value coming or not. I do this thing to demonstrate to you so you understand what I am doing. Let's remove this thing. Now use I think just the name and the checked parameter. It's here. Copy the handler, give it to your checkboxes. It's compiling, done. Go to the console. Yeah, here you see it's true. I do again, it's false. True, false, true, false. Okay, the name is same for all, so just copy and replace. It should be similar in the case of radio buttons but not for the checkboxes. It can be different. I saved it. Now you can see the difference. I click singing, it's true. Again click, it's false. So same way we have our values. So here what we can do, we just copy our state callback handler, copy it to your method. If anything suggestion from your side, please drop into comment. Like previous phone members tell me like the content is not visible, so I zoomed the screen a bit more. If any suggestions from your side which can increase your learning, then please let me know. Here I copied the method as I told you how we update the state. Use the previous handler. It is inside which all the previous value will be appeared there. Then okay, not this one, let's keep or move it to new line. Now what we will do, inside hobbies we will update our value. So we will spread all the values, previous values of from previous dot hobbies. Then we can define new value. What it is, the name is under this one and same value which is coming from the check and check. Just save it. Now like name is Harper, email is hh@test.com, or address is like anything you can give. It is just dummy data I am doing. It is male, singing, second year, submit. You can see the whole data here. Everything is false rather than singing because it is checked. So This is the shortest video I think in this learning series, because I think I came to know like we missed the handling of checkboxes. So yeah, it is all about it. Do practice, make prepared notes, let me know if any suggestions from your side, and thanks for watching. Happy coding. See you all in the next video.